Hi, parents. My name is Jenny Lee, and I'm a psychology and empowerment specialist for youth. Welcome to the Parenting Compass, where we help you navigate the joys and challenges of parenting in today's digital age. Today, we're tackling a common challenge: keeping kids entertained without screens. With so much reliance on technology for entertainment, finding screen-free activities can feel overwhelming. But the good news is, there are countless ways to engage your children that don't involve a screen. These activities can boost their creativity, strengthen family bonds, and promote healthier habits. In this video, I'll share a variety of screen-free activities for kids of all ages, backed by research and real-world examples from my work with families. Let's dive in. Why screen-free activities are important. Screens are everywhere, and kids are spending more time online than ever before. According to Common Sense Media, children aged 8 to 12 spend an average of 5 hours a day on screens, while teens spend about 7 hours. While technology has its benefits, excessive screen time has been linked to sleep issues, reduced physical activity, and difficulty focusing. Research from the American Academy of Pediatrics highlights the importance of balancing screen time with activities that stimulate creativity, physical movement, and social interaction. That's why incorporating screen-free activities into your child's routine is essential for their overall well-being. Screen-free activity ideas. 1. Outdoor adventures. Spending time outside is one of the best ways to keep kids engaged without screens. Activities like biking, hiking, and even backyard games promote physical health and spark curiosity about nature. Examples: organize a scavenger hunt where kids find items like leaves, rocks, or flowers. Visit a local park or trail for a family hike. Create obstacle courses in your backyard using household items. Research insight. Studies from the Journal of Environmental Psychology show that children who spend time in nature have improved attention spans and reduced stress levels. Challenge. Some kids may resist outdoor activities, especially if they're used to indoor screen time. To overcome this, involve them in planning the adventure. Ask, what kind of outdoor games sound fun to you? 2. Arts and crafts. Arts and crafts are a fantastic way to let kids express their creativity. These activities also improve fine motor skills and encourage problem solving. Examples: make DIY crafts like paper airplanes, friendship bracelets, or holiday decorations. Try painting, drawing, or coloring books. Create a family scrapbook using old photos and craft supplies. Case example: one family I worked with started a weekly craft night. Not only did this reduce their kids' screen time, but it also became a cherished bonding activity for the whole family. Tip: keep a box of craft supplies handy. Having everything in one place makes it easier to get started. 3. Cooking and baking together. Cooking and baking are screen-free activities that teach valuable life skills. Kids can learn about measuring, following instructions, and even nutrition. Examples: bake cookies or cupcakes and let your child decorate them. Make homemade pizzas where everyone chooses their own toppings. Prepare a simple family dinner together, like tacos or pasta. How to get started. Choose age-appropriate tasks. Younger kids can stir or sprinkle toppings, while older kids can help chop vegetables or read the recipe aloud. Challenge. Worried about messes? Embrace them as part of the fun. Lay out a plastic tablecloth or apron to keep things tidy. 4. Board games and puzzles. Board games and puzzles are classic screen-free activities that encourage critical thinking and teamwork. They're also a great way for the whole family to bond. Examples: play games like Monopoly, Scrabble, or Uno. Try cooperative games where players work together to achieve a goal. Complete a large jigsaw puzzle as a family project. Research insight. A study from developmental science found that kids who engage in board games regularly show improved math and reasoning skills. Tip: rotate games to keep things fresh. If your child has a favorite game, find similar ones to add variety. 5. Reading and storytelling. Reading is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to engage kids without screens. It stimulates imagination, improves vocabulary, and fosters a love for learning. Examples: read books together as a family, or let your child choose a story to read aloud. Create a reading nook with cozy pillows and blankets. Encourage kids to write and share their own stories or poems. Case example: one teenager I worked with felt disconnected from their younger sibling. We introduced a shared reading routine where they alternated reading chapters of a book together. This strengthened their bond and created a new family tradition. Challenge: if your child isn't excited about reading, explore genres they love, whether it's adventure, mystery, or graphic novels. 6. Science experiments at home. Science experiments are both fun and educational. They teach kids about cause and effect, problem solving, and curiosity. Examples: make a volcano using baking soda and vinegar. Create slime or homemade Play-Doh. Explore physics by building a paper bridge and testing its strength with coins. How to get started. Use household items for experiments. Many online resources offer simple, safe science activities for kids. Tip: let your child take the lead in setting up and conducting the experiment. This builds confidence and independence. 7. Active indoor games. If the weather doesn't allow for outdoor play, bring the fun indoors with active games. These activities burn energy and keep kids moving. Examples: play hide and seek or freeze dance. Set up an indoor mini golf course using cups and ping pong balls. Try yoga or kid-friendly workout videos. Research insight: the World Health Organization recommends that kids get at least 60 minutes of physical activity each day. Indoor games are a great way to meet this goal. Addressing challenges. My child says they're bored. Boredom can be a great starting point for creativity. Encourage your child to come up with their own screen-free activity ideas. Offer prompts like, "What could we build with these blocks?" Or, "What story could we write together?" I don't have time to organize activities. Choose activities that require minimal setup, like board games or reading. On busy days, let your child explore independent activities like drawing or building with Legos. My child prefers screens to other activities. Transition gradually by setting screen-free times during the day, such as during meals or before bedtime. Over time, they'll discover other ways to have fun. Conclusion: to recap, here are 7 screen-free activities to keep your kids entertained. 1. Outdoor adventures like scavenger hunts or hiking. 2. Arts and crafts that spark creativity. 3. Cooking and baking together for hands-on learning. 4. Board games and puzzles that build critical thinking. 5. Reading and storytelling to fuel imagination. 6. Science experiments for fun and education. 7. Active indoor games for movement and energy. Remember, the goal isn't to eliminate screens entirely, but to create a healthy balance. By introducing these activities, you'll help your child develop new skills, explore their creativity, and strengthen family bonds. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with other parents. Thank you for watching The Parenting Compass. Let's keep inspiring our kids to grow, learn, and thrive, screen-free. See you next time.